Hello everyone, this is Key App platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. And today we are going to talk about the keywords and particularly why some search requests may bring really high increase in the number of organic downloads while others do not give the same result and do not lead to the increase in the number of organic users. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end to find out the details. And of course, the first question you may have when you started to this video or when you start to work with App Store optimization or keyword promotion is what keyword traffic is. So in general, keyword traffic is the number of searches for the particular search request in the particular country done daily. So in simple words, it shows us how many times organic users put the keyword coloring in the search bar on Google Play in the United States. So, as you may understand, these numbers can really help us both in App Store optimization when we decide which keywords to put in text metadata, and of course in keyword promotion when we decide which request should be promoted to the top of the search list. But there is an issue. Unfortunately, both Google Play and App Store do not provide this information. We cannot go to Google or Apple and just ask, can you give us the traffic for the keyword coloring app in the US? They do not provide these details. And that's the difficulty both of App Store optimization and keyword promotion. When we are talking about the popularity score, for example, at least we have the popularity from the App Store, from Apple Search Ads. But of course, working with Google, we do not have even the popularity. And we understand that these numbers will really help us to get how to proceed with marketing strategy. And if to talk about some local languages, for example, English or the language of your country, you may understand which keywords may be really popular. But if to talk about some languages as German, as Japanese, and so on, it is really difficult to get which keywords organic users put to the search list. And in such a way, the task to get the keyword traffic, the task to get the potential of the particular search request is really difficult. Fortunately, there is no way to get what the real traffic for the particular keyword in the country you would like to proceed with App Store optimization or keyword promotion in. So the only choice is, of course, first of all, it is needed to analyze the competitors to get which keyword they use, to get for which search request they occupy top positions. And of course, if you work in some popular category where there are a lot of competitors, where there are some old big apps, it is really not so difficult as you can analyze their data. But what to do if actually the application has no competitors, or you would like to promote the application in some particular countries and you would like to get if the keyword is popular or not, and if it is worth adding it to text metadata and keyword promotion. Let's talk a little bit about the tools you may use to solve this task. As we do not have an access to the data from Google Play or App Store, we need to find some other ways to get if there is some traffic for the particular search request. And of course, here we may already use different kinds of App Store optimization services. As you remember, we are the platform and we provide the keyword promotion, but at the same time, we give the analytics for the keywords, so to make the life of our customers easier and to provide all the possible tools they may need to choose the keywords for promotion and to set the campaign so to achieve top ranks. So at our site, we provide the keyword popularity, we provide the traffic, and this same information may be checked on some other App Store optimization tools which you may use, for example, AppFollow, Data Eye, and so on. But please make sure that you do not use only one tool to check the keyword traffic. Our recommendation is to use several tools and compare the data, as you should understand that actually this number of traffic may be not the same as actual on Google Play, because we do not have an access to this information and we cannot define if this traffic is so or not. So most App Store optimization services use their own formulas to check the traffic. And actually, this formula may depend on many factors like the number of active users in the particular country, the number of users of Google Play, the number of devices, and so on. That's why you may see different traffic on different platforms, and if you observe such a situation, just try to use as many services as possible to get the average number. But even using this method will not guarantee that you will get the exact traffic. And still, if you work with keywords in App Store optimization, if you work with keyword promotion, there is the need to test the search requests you are going to proceed with, and you are going to occupy top positions with the keyword installs, for example. And of course, the next question you may have is actually how to make sure that the particular search request may bring the organic traffic, and if there are some possibilities to test it. Let's imagine that you would like to promote your application in the United States for the keyword children coloring pages. And actually, you checked with different App Store optimization tools and see the particular number of keyword traffic, so the particular number of searches. First of all, you need to understand when you check the traffic on different App Store optimization platforms, this number shows not the number of downloads your application will get. It just shows the number of approximate searches. So we understand that for this keyword, for example, 359 people search the particular applications in the United States daily. And it is the average number, and this number is approximate. Remember about this. And no one in App Store optimization sphere can guarantee that actually this is the real number and you will get this number of downloads. First of all, we are talking about searches. So even if the application occupies, for example, top 5 for this keyword, and we will have this number of searches, it doesn't mean that the application will get 359 downloads. And even if it occupies top 1, it doesn't mean the same, as we remember that actually the success of acquisition of organic installs depends not only on the positions, it depends on the app itself. So you need to work with App Store optimization, to work with text and visuals to make sure that actually your application will convert to install after you achieve some particular search request. Unfortunately, to test the approximate number of traffic you may receive with the particular search request on Google Play, it is not possible. That if you work with App Store, there is a hack. Actually, you may use app search ads for the particular search request and check how many impressions, how many downloads the application will get after you have the ad for this keyword. Of course, it is not possible to say as well that this is the exact number, and after you achieve top 1 for this search request, the application will get this number of downloads you get from Apple search ads. But still, using this method, you may test at least if there is some traffic for this search request, and if it's worth promoting your application to the top 1 with this keyword. So nowadays, it is one of the most workable methods to test the approximate number of downloads you may get, but still, no one can guarantee you the particular number of installs from the particular search request. And both in App Store optimization and keyword promotion, you should test a lot of theories, you should test a lot of keywords so to get the effectiveness of the promotion and the effectiveness of the search request you choose. And of course, do not forget about the competitors analysis. It is important to get for which keyword they occupy top positions. And at our platform, you may add any application to the account and actually check the positions in the countries for any app available on Google Play and App Store, and this will help you in competitor research as well. And let's go back to the main question we have today, and this why some keywords may give higher number of organic traffic while others do not give the same result. And actually, the answer in general is pretty simple. Everything is connected with the keyword popularity in general or within the particular period of time. For example, everyone remembered the game Among Us, and actually within that period of time, a lot of apps tried to copy this game and promote for the same keywords. And of course, while this game was popular, the keywords connected with this application were popular as well and could bring the organic traffic. But while the game popularity went down, the number of organic installs from the particular search request connected with this app went down as well. But of course, we do understand that there are some keywords which are usually popular. And for example, we may take as an example the keyword PDF. We do understand that actually there are a lot of apps connected with this keyword on Google Play and App Store. So there is the competitiveness. And when there is the competitiveness, usually we do understand that this category, this type of apps is popular, and actually there is organic traffic. Of course, the same rule won't work for some categories which are not popular among the users. For example, we can imagine the application created for the particular type of business, and we do understand that actually we won't find a lot of apps, a lot of the same apps on Google Play, so there is no competitiveness. But when there is the competitiveness, there are usually organic installs for the keywords. And of course, remember the rule that the shorter the keyword is, the more organic traffic it can bring. So, for example, we understand that the keyword PDF is the most popular in this category of apps, and actually all the applications will compete for this search request, so to occupy top position. So usually users put 1 2 words to the search, and they do not like put 4 5 6 words to find the particular application. There they may already use the suggestions. And that's why you may note that at our platform at KeyApp, we show the suggestions both on Google Play and App Store as well, because it is extremely important to work with them. And usually these keywords have higher number of organic traffic as well, because we do understand that, for example, we type PDF scanner, but we want to have PDF scanner with camera. And if you see this keyword as suggested, we won't do this way. We will put the keyword from the suggestion and we will use this one. So most usually users click the suggested keywords as well, and that's why you need to pay a lot of attention to them, and you need to add them to keyword research and to keyword promotion as well if you gather, for example, the request with the same core, so to promote them together for Google Play. And of course, we do understand that some keywords will have lower number of organic traffic and won't give this crazy increase in the number of traffic the application gets. First of all, it is about the length, and remember that the longer the keyword is, the less number of organic downloads it could have. Like in our case, PDF scanner, camera scanner to PDF, we do understand that users won't type this search request in the search bar, and most probably, even when the keyword in suggestions, they won't click it because we do understand that there are some repetitions and so on. So in keyword promotion, we may use such request only so to support the main keyword we promote and to achieve the higher and faster increase. As we do not have the possibility to check the exact traffic, we should pay attention to all these technical details as well, like the length of the keyword, the number of words, and so on, so to understand if we can work with the search request in keyword promotion or App Store optimization. Unfortunately, for now, it is not possible to get how many searches the keywords PDF scanner has daily, but still maybe in the future Google Play or App Store will provide provide this information, and the work with App Store optimization and keyword promotion will be really either. But at this stage, you need to proceed with competitor analysis, with category analysis. You need to analyze the keywords with different App Store optimization platforms, so to get the approximate number and to understand if you can continue working with the search request in the country you focus on. Anyway, if you still have some questions connected with how to make sure at least a little bit that some keywords may bring organic installs to your application in the country you work with, do not hesitate to contact our support team or a personal manager, and we will be really happy to assist and tell the ways how we choose the keywords for promotion and how we recommend to proceed when there is no actual data about the traffic. So contact us, follow us on YouTube, and you will get even more details about App Store optimization and keyword promotion. Get top positions in the search with KeyApp.